How to reset Facebook video recommendation. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can customize your feed on Facebook. First off, open up your Facebook application. The first thing you're going to have to do is make sure that you are logged in. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right. Now from here, simply go ahead and scroll down until you find settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down and then head over to settings. Once you head over settings, scroll down until you find privacy checkup and see if there are any problems with your Facebook settings. So what you can do is who can see your what you share. Here you can choose your default audience, tap on continue. Make sure that you set all of these to only me if you want it to be private. Go back and to clear out your recommendations, you can go to content preferences. And here you can see on what you see, just make sure that everything is set to show less. Then go to your favorites. Make sure if there are any of the things that you want to see more, make sure to add them to your favorites. So let me just add a few ones. And once you add them to your favorites, they will be shown more on your feed. If you want to snooze something, you can just snooze certain profiles that you don't want to see or that you want to see less. You can even unfollow them, or if you tap on reconnect, you can reconnect to the old accounts that you have unfollowed. The last thing that you can do is head over to your activity. So just go ahead and scroll down until you find your time on Facebook and go to your activity. Now tap on activity log. And from here, clear out all of your Facebook activities like your shares, your watch history, and everything. And after doing that, you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.